Here are the top 10 animals that thrive underground. 10. Prairie dog. Complex tunnel systems with multiple chambers. 9. Naked mole rat. Lives its entire life below ground. 8. European badger. Burrows can last for generations. 7. Meerkat. Uses underground tunnels to escape heat and predators. 6. Mole. Specialized hands built for constant digging. 5. Wombat. Creates long, reinforced burrows. 4. Trapdoor spider. Lives hidden beneath camouflaged doors. 3. Blind cave fish. Evolved entirely without eyesight. 2. Earthworm. Aerates soil and reshapes ecosystems underground. 1. Ant. Massive subterranean colonies beneath the surface. Beneath our feet, entire worlds are constantly at work.